How to fix error code 0x8007007f installation assistant in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. Step 1. Run Windows 11 Assistant as administrator. This little trick is a lifesaver when you face the 0x800700707f error code. Right click on Windows 11 Assistant.exe and select Run as administrator. Please don't double click on it, and also don't right click and select Open. Instead, right click and select Run as administrator. This will fix the issue. If the error is still persistent, then follow the next step. Run System Files Checker. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Yes. Type SFC /scannow. Press Enter. This process will take a couple of minutes. Once completed, run the DISM RestoreHealth command. There are 3 commands in DISM tool, but this command will work perfectly to fix this error. Copy the command from here and press into command prompt. Hit enter. Wait until it is 100% completed. After you have run both the commands, close the command prompt, close all other running tasks, and restart your computer. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.